Hey everyone! Welcome back to today. We're diving into a crucial component of your vehicle's cooling system, the water pump. If you suspect your water pump might be failing, stick around as we go over the key symptoms to watch for. What is a water pump? First off, let's quickly explain what a water pump does. The water pump circulates coolant throughout your engine, helping to regulate temperature and prevent overheating. When it's functioning properly, your engine runs smoothly. But if it starts to fail, you might notice some warning signs. Overheating engine. One of the first signs of a bad water pump is an overheating engine. If your temperature gauge is climbing into the red zone, it could be due to a malfunctioning water pump that isn't circulating coolant effectively. Coolant leaks. Next up, look out for coolant leaks. If you notice bright green, orange, or pink fluid pooling under your vehicle, it could be a sign that your water pump is leaking. This often happens due to worn-out seals or gaskets. Whining noises. Another symptom to be aware of is unusual whining or grinding noises coming from the engine. If you hear these sounds, it might indicate that the bearings in the water pump are failing. Steam or smoke. If you see steam or smoke coming from under the hood, that's a serious warning sign. It often means that your engine is overheating and could be a result of a failing water pump. Check engine light. Lastly, don't ignore the check engine light. If it pops on, it could relate to a problem with your water pump or another part of the cooling system. Always get it checked out. So, those are the main symptoms of a bad water pump. If you notice any of these signs, it's essential to get your vehicle checked out as soon as possible to avoid further damage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.